Today's topic is the light phase contrast and the fluorescence microscopy. Next, first you will see the light microscopy. Light microscopy is an instrument that uses visible light and magnifying lenses to examine small objects not visible to the naked eye. The light is projected by the objective across the image plane. Descriptive and the consecutive interference result in the bright and the dark areas. In these include many types: bright field microscope, then dark field microscope, phase contrast microscope, and the fluorescence microscope. But today you will see the bright field microscope and the dark field microscope. First is the bright field microscope. Bright field microscope is the background. Their background is light. In this cell is the live cell. This is visual light but pigmented. For example, chlorophyll. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है. फर्स्ट आप यहाँ पे डायग्राम में देख रहे हो आई पीस, देन ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, देन सैम्पल, देन कंडेंसर लेंस. मीन जैसे यहाँ से लाइट फोकस होगा, लाइट डायरेक्टली चला जाएगा कंडेंसर लेंस पे, देन कंडेंसर लेंस पे से चला जाएगा सैम्पल से. जब सैम्पल से यहाँ पे उसकी वेवलेंथ फॉर्म होकर ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस से हम लोग डायरेक्टली आई पीस से हम वो जो इमेज है, जो स्पेसिमेन है, वो ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. देन अगर हम लोगों को लाइट बैकग्राउंड में से अगर इमेज देखनी है तो उसको पहले हम लोगों को उस स्पेसिमेन को स्टेन करना पड़ेगा. इसके लिए हम लोगों को यहाँ पे यूज़ करना है मिथिलीन ब्लू एंड बैक्टीरिया also use the gram stain. Then advantages of bright field microscopy is very simple to use with the favor adjustment needed to be the made to view specimen. There disadvantages: bright field microscopy has very low contrast and most cell absolutely have to be the stain to be seen. Then dark field microscopy. In dark field microscopy, their background is very dark and the specimen is light. In this you will see the first eyepiece, then objective lens, then specimen stage, and then condenser lens and dark field stop, then light source. और इसमें एक और जो पार्ट है जो आप यहाँ पे रिंग देख रहे हो इज़ द hollow cone of light. Then advantages of dark field microscope is ideal for viewing objects that are unstained and the transparent. More detailed view of external field outline boundaries. The disadvantages of dark field microscopy is that it is very sensitive to dust. A small amount of dust is already light up on the dark background. Then bright field versus dark field. आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो जैसे कि in bright field microscope their background is light but the diagram is dark, and in the dark field microscope their background is dark but the specimen is light. Then the microscope of this microscope is the light microscope. Then they are polarized. How to polarize the image or how to polarize the angle of light. Then principle of light microscope. Light is produced from either an internal and external light source and passes through the iris diaphragm, a whole variable size which control the amount of light reaching the specimen. Then application of light microscope plays large part in the today's biology. Mineralogists also use the light microscope, typically with a special preparation of a sample called the section. Thank you.